borrowers are definitely coming to us for renovation projects, construction loans, and to build out ADUs. Borrowers typically have very low rate mortgages that they don't want to touch. They don't want to pay off a low rate loan to maximize cash out. So they come to us and we provide them second position mortgages. With the second mortgage, they use those funds to make renovations to the property, to build out ADUs, and do other construction projects on the property to maximize their property to the full and best use. This way their income goes up, and then after they're done with the project, they can go into a conventional loan and capitalize on that additional income that that property brings in because of the renovation, because of the ADU.